Hi guys, let me show you how I do my hair. Heat protection. I actually have a 2 heat protection with mask. Usually use this when I want to do iron and this when I do iron because I have a hair gel as well. It's the same scent. It's fully dry, so I'm gonna use lid to divide my hair. By the way, I don't know what is my haircut name, but I always ask them to cut a lot of layer. Let's do on the side as well. Sorry, I'm not pro. Okay, so now let's do the back side. The volume is very good. And they like shake. Oh, no, wait, it's not done yet. See, a lot of volume. Now I'm gonna apply some hair gel. Format. Like this. I kind of messed up. By the way, I'm working on my music now. I will let you know. Maybe it was too much fluffy, so let's cool down. Actually, I like it. Yes, I like it. Yay. So messy. Someday I wanted to start room tour too.